Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this crochet look. I'm going to be working with YGwigs today, and they sent me 5 bundles of their kinky straight hair. They sent me some goodies in their package, which included a rat tail comb, some clips to help with the install, and I also wanted to include that they put a step-by-step guide on how to crochet your hair into your head if it is your first time doing it, which I thought was very nice of them. So for the braid down, I personally start by doing 2 small braids close to my leave out, so that first of all I just get that out the way, and second of all so that when you are crocheting your hair that you can crochet it as close to your leave out as possible. So that is the reason for that. And for the rest of your hair, I just braid my hair straight back. Now here you see me sewing my last braid down at the back, because usually I do tuck it in my hair, but from experience I noticed that when you are crocheting your hair, that braid can come out loose and can literally mess up your whole install. So I'm learning, so I'm just gonna sew it down at the back of my head. So here's the kinky straight hair that YGwigs sent me. I don't know if I already said that they sent me 5 bundles of their kinky straight hair. It comes in with a built-in thread to help you secure that knot into your cornrows. So when I am starting off crochet, I like to begin at the front of my hair, because that way I can kind of see how the overall install is going to look, so that I don't overly put too much braids, and I can kind of see how full I want the front of my hair to be. Okay guys, so I installed the crochet here. I have like 4 bundles in my head and I took out my leave out. So my leave out goes to the side and what am I saying? It goes my perimeter of my front of my head and a little part. So I do want to curl it and layer it, but I like the natural state of this hair. Like it actually looks pretty natural. Like if I were to flat iron my leave out nicely, it would blend in nicely, but I need this hair to be a little bit more straighter, so I'm just gonna straighten my hair. I wish I had like a longer flat iron so that I could have this process go faster, but I'm just gonna straighten it very precisely, or try to at least. Okay guys, so I am finished straightening my hair. I'm just gonna straighten my leave out now. So I know I was using the Baby Bliss for my actual weave, but I do not use this on my actual hair. Like I learned my lesson using this professional flat iron on my actual hair. When I used it before, it literally made my hair turn like permanently straight. Like I have naturally curly hair and this ruined my bonds of my hair. So learn from me, do not use this flat iron on your actual hair. I'm just gonna be using this regular flat iron. This flat iron is very useless. I have another one but I'm too lazy to get it. This is my flat iron that I use for my edges, but I don't really need it to go super straight because I have a hot comb that could do the job. Okay guys, so I actually brushed out my hair and I redid my makeup. If I look any differently than I did before, that's what happened. I didn't really like how my hair turned out. You guys might say differently, but I'm the one that sees my face 24/7 and I think I have a little bit of OCD. So I just decided I'm gonna try to curl my hair with a curling iron because I didn't like how those bumps were. Like I want it to be more subtle, not like an actual curl. So let's see if I could do it better. Okay guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, I bumped it with a curling iron, which gives it more of a natural little silk press kind of look. Comparing it to the flat iron, I feel like it was way more defined and I didn't really like that look, but whoever liked that look, I will still keep it in the video. Other than that, I am definitely becoming a fan of crochet hair. It's so natural, and the one thing that I do love about crochet hair is that I can itch my scalp. From this hair company, I do enjoy this hair. It never gave me no trouble. It's very soft, it's very manageable, it's very lightweight. But yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to me for more hair content. And I will see you guys later. Bye.